Hi everyone, today I will show you something. I will show you this box. It came from UK, it's from Crochet Society. I think you know Bella Coco. It's her company and she made this kind of boxes and they emailed me and sent me this one, and I'm really so happy and a little sad at the same time, cause you know in Turkey this customs check out package and because they're taking taxes from the packets, but that's a gift, so I didn't think they will take a tax from this one, and I never saw something like that. But this one's package was opened by them, and I hope they didn't open this box, cause you know we are at 21st century and there is some x-rays, something like that. You can see what's inside in a box easily without opening them. I hope they didn't open this one, and now we can just open and see what's going on inside it. Okay, we are ready to open this box right now, and they told me this is box 6. Oh, it's here. Ah, that's good. Oh, they opened the box. Oh, whatever. Whatever. I was not mad at them. Oh, they're so nice yarns. It's blue and white. I wear blue and white today. It's Aran yarn, size 4 yarn, worsted weight. I think it's for US. And it's, let me see, cotton. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic yarn, and it's made in Turkey. Oh, it's made in Turkey and went Britain, then came back here. It's so good. It's so soft and nice. I like it. I like the feeling. Yeah, and it is white one, and I made a little search about these boxes, and I know there is a little book and some patterns on it, and it has 3 patterns on it, and you can make any of them you want, and one of them is amigurumi, I think, because there is some fiber, polyfill, a little amigurumi, and there is these things, these papers, they're so nice. And eyes, amigurumi eyes. Oh, I need this. And the hook. Oh, it's 4.5. That's my favorite size. I actually have a lot of 4.5mm crochet hooks, and now I have one more, and I will have more and more. And there is this chart. It's a hook size conversation chart converter. That's good. From UK to US. It's so good. I can use this because sometimes there is some problems with UK terms and US terms. That's good. New year, new yarn, yeah. Always new yarns. And there's a cute little stitch marker. Says hooked. It's so good. I want to show it. Hooked. I will use this. This is so nice. And I saw a beautiful notebook. Is the book or notebook? There's some exclusive video tutorial passcode. There's some code. I don't know what's this for. I will search it. And I will look this. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, so good. There's a pen. Oh, yarns and hook. They're so special. You know, I always work with a plan, but I never write them anywhere. So I always try not to forget them. It's like that for the crocheting too. And now I can use this. And this one's, oh, that's, what's that name? Oh, I think you all know. It's just I forgot to do. Ideas and time for me. It's so little time for me. That fits me. Yeah, so good. Okay, and there is a hole here. Oh, it's so nice. It's like an envelope. You can put anything here. When I was young, I always write diaries, and I always put an envelope here to put something in it, like an old flower or a little paper piece from one of my friends. So I like it very much. That's really good. Thank you for this. And there's nothing left. Oh, yes. This tutorial. I want to show you Sarah-Jayne. And there is some tutorial. Yeah, this Yeti amigurumi and these slippers. You can see, I think. And there is some clutch. It's a chevron clutch. All of them is so good. But I can make this amigurumi because I'm working amigurumis right now. I really so attach amigurumis. Actually, I can show you one. I'm working on this. I don't know if you can see. I don't have this eye, so I use buttons. I will go and buy some eyes and fibers, and I will share amigurumis with you. And there is some designers on it. Yes, clusters. And tutorials, patterns, and it's so it's nice patterns. You can easily understand, I think. Even I can read them. I'm not good at reading patterns, but they explain it really nicely. And there's so much graphics. And what's in the box, I think? Some yarns, Ice Queen slippers. Okay, and how to tidy your stash. Yeah, that's so important thing. She made like that. I buy some packets and I put my yarns into these packets. I put only same yarns into same packets, so I tidy my yarns like that. And Eddie the Yeti. Really, he's not that scary. He's so sweet, actually. If it's a he. And that's your makes from another box, I think. Yeah, they're so nice. And I can make the 80, and if I make it, I will share it with you on my Instagram address. It's Sirin's Crochet, you know, and it's also my website and Pinterest address too. As I said before, I will put this Crochet Society and Bella Coco's link in the description box. If you want, you can directly keep in touch with them. I think it's so nice. It's like a gift to yourself. You're giving yourself. I really like the crochet hook. 4.5mm hook. Yarns are nice, and this one is so beautiful. I love it. Thanks for Bella Coco and Crochet Society team to reach me and send these beautiful gifts. And that's it. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on my Instagram address too. And thanks for watching me. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.